Hello, my name is Dan Illson and I'm on the Native Cloud Advocacy team here at VMware in the Cloud Services division. I've been in this role for the last 2.5 years, and before that I was a systems engineer in the Network and Security Business Unit supporting the NSX portfolio. So I'm here today to talk to you about 2 code sessions that I'll be delivering at VMworld this year. The first is about building and controlling REST APIs with the OpenAPI specification and Kong. Kong is an API gateway, which is an emerging pattern for how people advertise APIs between services in their applications and also to end users of their applications. So I'll be investigating that a bit in my first talk. And then my second code session, which I'm pretty excited about, will be machine learning with Python in under an hour, where I'll actually be live coding some Python on stage against an existing data set to show how some of the basic machine learning algorithms can be used to do pattern detection and some other interesting things. But I think that'll be a lot of fun. It'll be a bit different for VMworld, but I think it'll be a nice piece of content for us and our customers to see how some of these emerging technologies can help them as they move forward in their businesses. So I'd like to invite you all to come join us at VMworld in San Francisco this August to hopefully see these 2 talks, but also many of the other sessions and talks that myself and my colleagues will be delivering there. So thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you then.